Make a great choice today with the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated outside mirrors, center armrest, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.